Hi, I'm Skip LaCour of Skip LaCour's Mass Machine Nutrition. Allowing your muscles to rest, repair, and recover from your intense workouts is an extremely important part of the muscle building process. From my experience helping people just like you from around the world for over 20 years, I am convinced this is also part of the muscle building process that even the hardest training, most ambitious lifters just do not put a high enough priority on. The recovery process of the body is an ongoing cycle. It's going on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To ensure that you are making the most out of your time, energy, and effort spent in the gym training, supplementing with glutamine will ensure that you're preserving the most amount of muscle tissue. Glutamine also ensures you are initiating building new growth. In addition, this anabolic effect will cause your body to turn fat storages into a source of energy rather than breaking down your hard-earned muscle tissue for that energy. If you want to build muscle and preserve what you've worked so hard to earn, then you want to invest in my MM525 micronized glutamine. MM525 micronized glutamine is 100% pure, no filler, free-form glutamine. Glutamine is battle tested for over 40 years by almost every bodybuilder and sports athlete. Glutamine is proven to reduce recovery time by repairing the muscle fibers as soon as possible. Glutamine aids in the removal of lactic acid and helps prevent lactic buildup, meaning your muscles can work longer and harder. MM525 micronized glutamine mixes instantly with no residual grains and is completely flavorless. Add MM525 to your favorite juice, sports drink, or amino acid drink to bolster up the recovery process. Here's what differentiates Skip LaCour's Mass Machine Nutrition from other supplement companies and makes MM525 micronized glutamine the highest quality and most effective product of its kind that you can invest in. MM525 micronized glutamine is the highest quality 100% glutamine with nothing added. There are absolutely no powder fillers in my glutamine. With Skip LaCour's Mass Machine Nutrition, that is everything I'm against. MM525 micronized glutamine's purity is among the very best in the industry. MM525 micronized glutamine is pure, it's simple, and it's effective. My goal with Mass Machine Nutrition is to provide you with the very most benefits possible in your nutritional supplements without milking you, the consumer, for everything you're worth. So now is the time to start investing in 100% pure products with clinically backed science. Now is the time to invest in a supplement company that's code of conduct and business practices are built on a rock-solid foundation of honesty and integrity. Now is the time for you to become a mass machine and use the highest quality and most effective supplements on the market. Supreme, clean, Mass Machine Nutrition. I'm Skip LaCour. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and learn more about your extremely important investment. Train hard and think big. Skip LaCour's Mass Machine Nutrition is available at bodybuilding.com.